first update of 2026, Windows 11 KB5074109, has been officially released. In this video, let's see what the new features are and how to fix those annoying update errors or bugs. Since this is a mandatory security patch, Windows will likely install it automatically. The biggest win is for Copilot Plus PC users. There was a bug where the AI chip, NPU, stayed awake, even when the laptop was idle, draining your battery while you weren't even using it. This update finally fixes that power leak, so your battery should last significantly longer now. The battery icon is now slightly larger, and you can finally see the actual percentage inside the icon without clicking anything. For those working from home, Microsoft fixed an issue where the app could not connect to company networks under certain conditions. They also stabilized Azure Virtual Desktop connections, which were previously failing for many users. Some antivirus programs were accidentally flagging safe Windows files as dangerous. This update clears up that false alarm, so your security software stops bothering you for no reason. So, on the surface, it's a great update. But, for many of you, the installation itself is where the nightmare starts. From installation freezes and loops to broken remote connections, and that dreaded error, 0x80080005, you aren't alone. These problems are often caused by corrupted system files or a glitch in the Windows Update service itself. But don't worry, I've got you covered. Method 1. If your update is stuck in the settings menu, stop waiting for it. The most reliable way is to install it manually. Go to the Microsoft Update catalog. I've linked it in the description. Search for KB5074109 and download the version that matches your system, 24H2 or 25.2. You can find it in the System Information settings. Download MSU Archives. This bypasses the glitchy auto-update process entirely. Method 2. If the manual installer also fails, your system files might be the problem. Search for CMD in the search bar, click to run it as administrator, and type sc/scannow. Let it finish, then run the DISM command. You can check the description for the exact text. This is like giving your Windows files a quick health check up to fix any internal corruption. Method 3. Resetting Windows Update components. Sometimes, the folders Windows uses to store update files get cluttered or corrupted, causing the 0x80080005 error. We are going to wipe the slate clean. Also, open the command prompt. Enter the following commands in sequence, and press Enter for each line. We're going to stop the update services, rename the old cache folders so Windows is forced to create brand new ones, and then start everything back up. Once you've entered these, restart your PC and try the update again. This is like clearing a clogged pipe. It gives the KB5074109 update a fresh, clean path to install. Method 4. If you don't like typing commands, you might want to try this official built-in tool. It won't delete your files and just polishes your system. Open your settings and go to System, then click on Recovery. Look for the option that says Fix Problems using Windows Update and click or Install Now. Your PC will download the necessary repair files and restart. Method 5. Use 4DDIG Partition Manager. Now, if you've tried everything and you're still worried about your PC crashing or losing data during these forced updates, I have one final recommendation: use 4DDIG Partition Manager. Before you mess with system files, backing up is non-negotiable. If your PC blue screens mid-update, you could lose everything. With 4DDIG, you can create a full system backup in minutes. Just open the software, click Backup and select System Backup. Then select the system disk or partition you want to back up. Then choose a storage location, and you better prepare an external drive. Hit Start and wait for it to finish running automatically, and it will be completed. And for those of you still on Windows 10 or older versions of 11 like 23.8.2, this tool can actually bypass system restrictions to help you upgrade to 25H2 automatically. No complicated CMD commands required. I've left a link in the description for you to check it out. Give it a try. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.